Hello and welcome people. Yes man, welcome again to the channel. So today I want to talk about 10 things that you should know before you go to Jamaica. So for all the people who would love to go to Jamaica, never been there, hear all these things but you want to go, I'm just going to give you a rundown of 10 things, and these 10 things will make it easier for you. So number 10, the heat. Now Jamaica is a paradise of endless summer. So expect temperature ranging from 22 degrees Celsius to 31 degrees Celsius. And that is throughout the year. So my advice is bring some light colored clothing and definitely not left a sunscreen. Number 9, the foods. Now Jamaicans love flavor and spices. So be prepared to have your taste buds mesmerized by spicy and mouth-watering dishes. And let me tell you, definitely have a Jamaican patty, some fry fish, and yes, jerk chicken. Number 8, the roads. Be aware that Jamaicans drive on the left. Also be prepared for speedsters, blaring horns, the occasional stray animal, and yes, potholes. But if your vehicle breaks down, you are likely to get help from local people in Jamaica more than you get it elsewhere. Number 7, the beaches. Now Jamaica boasts some of the best coastline worldwide. And some of the most popular beaches are in Negril, like the 7 Mile Strip in Negril. Montego Bay have multiple beaches, and Ocho Rios. And of course there are other areas like Treasure Beach and other areas in other parishes where you can find a nice little beach. Of note, locals are welcoming, but be mindful when taking pictures and doing a little videos. Number 6, the money. So Jamaican dollar is the native currency. US can be spent most places you go, they'll accept US dollars, but otherwise it would be best to exchange your other currencies for local dollars. And of course, card payment is accepted in many places all over the island. Number 5, the water. Now we all know that some places you go in the world you cannot drink the tap water. But Jamaica, the land of food and water, is not one of those. Tap water is fine to drink in Jamaica. But if you prefer, you'll find plenty offerings of bottled water from the island's numerous springs. Or you can try a cool and refreshing coconut to rehydrate. Number 4, music. Jamaica is reggae nation. And this means music is everywhere in Jamaica. You'll hear it in a cab, in the buses like your transport to and from the airport, shops, stores, and definitely in a Jamaican homes. Wherever you go, you're gonna hear music. So expect that in a Jamaica. What you can do is check out a reggae festival or party to enjoy some more of this experience. Number 3, time. Put away the clock now. You see, Jamaicans are known for their laid back and sometimes extra casual lifestyle. Yeah man. Forget the alarm clock and the hectic rush of city life abroad. Just be prepared for things to take a little more time. No problem man. Number 2, attractions. Jamaica has numerous places to create your memories. Places like Duns River or waterfalls, Blue Lagoon, the Blue Mountains, which is the highest point on the island, Bob Marley Museum, world famous, Lover's Leap. These are just a few of the places that you can find to go and enjoy and have some wonderful activity. So just get ready to be spoiled for choice. But the number one thing and the number one reason why you should go to Jamaica is the Jamaican people. And millions of people visit Jamaica every year. And the best part of any visit, if you ask them, is the warmth and genuine friendliness of the people. So be prepared for one thing, to talk. Yes, because Jamaicans love interacting. And it doesn't matter if they know you or not. That's just how they stay. Irie.